You are in for a treat because this money-making method that I'm about to show you is very underground and only a few people know about this. This method is kept low-key due to its incredibly high earning potential that can allow you to earn up to an enormous $547 just for promoting the app for today's video. In the power of one single click, you can turn your life upside down. Or more like downside up, as you can now finally achieve financial freedom. Now that's truly mind-blowing. Other than these astonishing qualities by this method, this is all 100% free. And also, this method is top-notch accessible and convenient since you can totally utilize this method in its fullest form wherever you are on the planet. And on top of that, this method can be used with any device you have in your arsenal. There's also no need to worry if you're a beginner because this method is absolutely perfect for you and to everyone who has no prior experiences with making money online, as well as any technical skills or any skills at all. Now make sure to stay with me until the very last second of this video so that you'll learn all about this method.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
So I actually revealed what you're going to be doing today already, and that is promoting this website, which is called digistore24.com. You can see that Digistore takes pride in this statement: more sales, less work for the advanced marketer. As they say right here, Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, affiliate network, all common payment methods, and accounting automation, including tax automation. That sounds intimidating, but basically, we're just going to focus on one thing, and that is Digistore's affiliate network. We are now going to explore the horizons of this opportunity in regards to it having one of the most efficient affiliate programs in the World Wide Web. Before we proceed, let's have a tour around the website. Right here on the main homepage, you can see that they have an outstanding rating on Trustpilot that sits at a 4.7 stars out of 5. With over 4,000 users rating the platform on Trustpilot, the website is definitely a beast. You can never go wrong in pursuing this website. There's no question regarding its integrity and legitimacy. Trust me and these 4,000 users right here, you're in absolutely good hands. The main homepage is quite comprehensive, and it may tend to get a bit overwhelming. I won't be diving deep into every single detail, because I just want to discuss the primary details with you. But there's no stopping you from exploring the page and finding out more information. Everything is right here presented to you openly. And this is one of the things that I like about this website. It's the sheer transparency and openness. To have full awareness of what you're going into surely provides you a safe space that allows you to work more efficiently. So, what I want you to do now is click on this blue button located on the upper right portion of the page just about here that says Register Now. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to this page where you will sign up for a free account. Just input all necessary details required for you to fill in, and honestly, they're really not hard, so it's just a quick walk in the park. After logging in to the platform, you will find yourself being taken to this page right here called the Marketplace. This is essentially the page where you can choose what services or products to promote. When you look at the page, it's actually really cool given the wide array of categories that you can choose from as to which products to promote. You've got digital products, animals and pets, betting systems, and so many more. Now what you're going to be doing is to choose a product to promote. For example, we'll promote this product, which is called the Lose Your First 10 Pounds Workshop, found in the Fitness and Health section. After choosing a product, we are now in the clear to head on to how to drive traffic to gain more traction and attention. This leads us to the second website for today's video, which is called Odyssey.com. As soon as you enter the website, you will see the main page, which contains lots of videos like these. This already gives you an idea of what they're about. Odyssey is a platform where you can explore a whole universe of videos from regular people like you and me. People from all over the world have been making use of this platform to upload a huge assortment of videos. You can find everything right here, literally everything. How are you going to make money out of Odyssey? In just a moment, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos and then attach your Digistore affiliate link in the description. This will then pave the way for your money-making journey as people can now access your link and voila! Easy money coming your way.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
First and foremost, there's always the one step that you have to do on every single website or platform, and I'm sure you've guessed it because it's no other than the sign up process. On the main page, click on this reddish button right here on the upper right corner which says sign up. Once you click on that, it will then take you to this page where you can begin the registration process, which can be done in a heartbeat. Fill in your email on this field and then create your own password. After that, there's nothing left for you to do but to click on the sign up button right here. And there you have it. You now have a brand new account here on Odyssey. Here on your account, I want you to click on your profile and then go over to the upload section. As you can see, they will ask you to upload a video, but wait, you don't have a video just yet. This is the time where I'm going to show you how you can cop videos for free and upload them for your own gain. Let's now head on to the most popular video platform in history, YouTube.com. Let's say we're looking for videos on weight loss. So let's type that in here real quick and it will reveal a whole new page of videos that correspond to the words weight loss. Before choosing a video, I want you to filter the search results and click on Creative Commons because we're going to need videos that are allowed to download. At this point, just choose the videos that you'd like to be used later on. The next thing that I want you to do is download the video. You can do this by copying the URL of the video and paste it on a YouTube to MP4 downloader platform. I'm sure you're already well versed in this area, so just head onto your browser and find the most commonly used downloader. Simply convert your video, and once it's ready for download, then take it away and hit the download button, which will then lead us to the next step for this video. Now I want you to go back to the upload section on your account profile on Odyssey, but this time you already have a video to upload. Just click this red button that says upload something new and it will take you to this page where you can input the details of your video. Before we proceed, let me tell you something. This is going to be full of intricate details, so be extra sure that you're paying attention. You have to replicate all these steps one by one, so listen carefully. For the first two fields right here, namely the name and title, you are just going to do a little bit of copy pasting. Just copy and paste the original title on the YouTube video and that's it. The next part is where they will ask you to upload the video file right here. After doing so, create a little description for your video and just do this by simply copying and pasting the original description. Now listen, as part of your new description, you are going to add a little something to add a bit of flair and uniqueness to your text. Type in a call to action that's alluring to your target audience. Maybe something along the lines of, if you want to lose weight ASAP, click this right now. Then after that call to action, simply attach your affiliate link on Digistore 24. How are you going to do this, you may ask? Well, go back to the product page on Digistore and then copy the affiliate link like so. That's already the end of the entire method. All in all, it all works out according to your own benefit, as you can now generate an income stream with literally unlimited earning potential.
And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.